continues to prioritize innovation, especially within its running category, and the upcoming Nike Ava Rover reflects that ethos. Positioned alongside recent models like the Pegasus Premium and Vomero Plus, the Ava Rover introduces a bold new lifestyle option that draws from high-performance DNA. Its full-length ReactX foam midsole nods to modern running design, with an ultra-high stack height reminiscent of max cushion runners. Still, it remains firmly a lifestyle silhouette, incorporating layered graphics, pull tabs, and textural details evocative of Nike's ISPA and ACG lines. This wolf gray edition keeps to the familiar split color scheme seen in general release pairs but is elevated by subtle Sundial accents that add a spark of contrast. Though the Ava Rover is slated for a broader rollout starting in July, it's unclear where this particular colorway fits within the launch sequence. The retail price is set at $140 US.